Good morning everyone. My name is Pooja Wankhede and till now we have completed 4 units, that is unit 1, unit 2, unit 3 and unit 4, and yesterday we have started unit 5, in which we are going to start with total quality management and ISO 9000. As we have already known that ISO 9000 standard is used everywhere. We will going to study ISO 9000 concept, structure of ISO 9000, ISO 9000 in government of Malaysia, step for implementation and implementation issues. Okay, so starting with what is meant by TQM, total quality management, their concept, principles of TQM and benefit. Okay, going further, as you can see in this slide, TQM means total quality management, means total means everyone is involved in it. Okay, quality means continuously improving service to customers, and management means with data and profound knowledge. Okay, so total quality management means everyone is involved in continuously improving service to customers with data and profound knowledge. Okay, total quality management is a management process aimed at bringing about excellence through the continuous enhancement of quality in an organization. Okay, so total quality management यानी TQM किस लिए यूज़ होता है? In order to bringing about means continuously improving or excellencing the quality in an organization. The basic philosophy of TQM is doing the right thing right the first time, on the time, all the time, always striving for improvement and always satisfying the customers. So it is the philosophy of TQM which says that we need to make a right quantity of material at right time on the जब हम पहले ही जब मटेरियल या प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं वही टाइम हमें राइट मटेरियल बनाना है, ऑलवेज स्ट्राइविंग फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट एंड ऑलवेज सेटिस्फाइंग द कस्टमर. ओके, गोइंग फर्दर, TQM in public service. The purpose is to provide information and guidance to the head of department in planning and activating the process of improving quality in their departments. Okay, TQM in public service इसका यानी क्या कि TQM का purpose क्या होता है? It is in order to provide information and guidance to head of department in order to plan and activate the process of improving quality in their departments. Create an environment that is conducive or for the inclusion of an excellent work culture. Okay, TQM concepts continuous process in creating a culture of excellence for the whole organization and in customer driven. Okay, it is aimed to achieve total quality in all its operation aspects. Okay, going further, what are the principles of total quality management? Okay, as you can see, what are the principles in total quality management? Okay, it focuses on customer. We need to give quality assurance to the customer. We need to do strategic planning, teamwork, measurement of performance, training and recognition, leadership and commitment by top management. These are the principles of total quality management. Total quality management is focuses on customers. Focuses on customer means what? Government agencies must know who their customer is and make an effort to provide products and service that satisfies their need. Okay, we should know whoever the customer of our organization, and we should make an effort in order to provide products and service that satisfy their need. Continuous improvement is necessary. Okay, then quality assurance. The objective can be achieved by adhering to clearly laid quality standards for products, work process and input use. Okay, whatever the input यानी जो raw materials हम use कर रहे हैं, that should be of quality. Then processes, whatever the work processes we are using, that should be also contain a good quality thing, and whatever the product we are producing, that should also contain a good quality. Then support in turn by quality inspection, tracing sources of flaws and taking remedial actions. तो अभी देखो quality assurance कैसे कर सकते हैं हम? We need to do regular quality inspection, and we need to find where the process is actually going wrong. We need to improve it. Okay, so this is all about quality assurance. Going further, strategic planning. What is meant by strategic planning? Management should regularly plan and take appropriate measures to improve the work process to ensure the quality of the final output is on the rise all the time in line with the increasingly complex needs of customers. ओके, स्ट्रैटेजिक प्लानिंग मीन्स व्हाट कि मैनेजमेंट में हमेशा रेगुलरली प्लान को अपडेट करना चाहिए इन ऑर्डर टू इम्प्रूव वर्क प्रोसेस. ओके, वर्क प्रोसेस टू इंश्योर द क्वालिटी ऑफ द फाइनल आउटपुट, जो फाइनल आउटपुट मिलने वाला है उसका क्वालिटी इट शुड बी इम्प्रूव्ड ऑन द राइज ऑफ ऑल द टाइम इन लाइन विद द increasing complex needs of customer. Okay, then teamwork as we all know that teamwork is very much important in any work. Teamwork is effective in contributing creative and innovation ideas. ओके अगर टीम वर्क कर रहे हैं तो क्रिएटिव एंड इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़ जो है वो इम्प्लीमेंट होंगी, क्योंकि टीम वर्क हो रहा है यानी बहुत से लोग उसमें इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, अलग अलग लोगों के अलग अलग क्रिएटिव एंड इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़ होते हैं एंड इम्प्लीमेंटिंग इम्प्रूवमेंट सक्सेसफुली. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टीम वर्क. ट्रेनिंग एंड recognition building a sense of ownership among worker. Okay, means what? This is strengthen awareness, commitment as well as to install a sense of responsibility among workers in upgrading quality in their departments, creating a sense of togetherness at the workplace. Okay, so it is training and recognition building a sense of ownership among worker. Okay, then leadership and commitment by top management. टॉप मैनेजमेंट यानी कौन से कि देखो जो सीईओ होते हैं या एमडी होते हैं कंपनी के या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के, वो टॉप मैनेजर्स होते हैं. टॉप मैनेजमेंट शुड बी इन्वॉल्व डायरेक्टली इन अपग्रेडिंग क्वालिटी एंड इंश्योरिंग दैट द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट आर अचीव्ड. सिर्फ क्वालिटी मेंटेन करना इज नॉट ओनली द टास्क ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज और वर्कर्स हु आर वर्किंग इन दैट कंपनी और फर्म. It is also a responsibility of a top management like MDs and CEO of the companies. Okay, they should also involve in it and directly involved in upgrading quality and ensuring that the objective of the department are achieved. Okay, measurement of performance. Management of quality requires support from an effective system of performance appraisal. Okay, तो जो मैनेजमेंट होता है इट शुड हैव अ डिपार्टमेंट विच कंटिन्यूसली रिकॉग्नाइजिंग द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी डिपार्टमेंट. द डिपार्टमेंट शुड फॉर्मुलेट अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव सिस्टम ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस अप्राइजल. ओके, सो this is all about measurement of performances. Then what are the benefits of implementing total quality management in your firm or organization? It enhances the competitive position. Okay, as we know that competitive position is very much important in nowadays because market is growing day by day. Improve customer satisfaction and confidence. Okay, then saving in time and resources. Okay, resources means work, money, man, money, material. We should save in time and resources, reduce wastage and work over. Okay, then greater organizational transparency and improve the quality system. These are the benefits. Okay, going further, now we are going to study ISO 9000 and how this ISO 9000 is involved in the operation of this total quality management or what it is doing with the क्वालिटी. ओके, व्हाट इज़ क्वालिटी? सबसे पहले यहाँ पे देखेंगे हम क्वालिटी यानी क्या होता है. द टोटलिटी ऑफ फीचर्स एंड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस दैट बियर्स ऑन इट्स एबिलिटी टू सेटिस्फाई एक्सप्रेस और इम्प्लाइड नीड्स. ओके, तो अभी देखो यहाँ पे क्वालिटी यहाँ पे दिया है. क्वालिटी यानी द टोटलिटी ऑफ फीचर्स, यानी जो भी हमारा प्रोडक्ट होगा उसके फीचर्स और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स जो होंगे वो अप टू डेट होंगे अप टू डेट होंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंट एंड इट्स एबिलिटी टू सेटिस्फाई एक्सप्रेस एंड इम्प्लाइड नीड्स. ओके, इसको हम क्या कह सकते हैं? क्वालिटी. ओके, व्हाट इज क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस? अभी क्वालिटी एंड क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस दोनों डिफरेंट टर्म्स है. क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस मीन्स व्हाट? इट रेफर्स टू all those planned and systematic action that are necessary to provide adequate confidence that a product or service will satisfy given requirements for quality. Okay, जो भी अभी देखो क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए जो भी हमें सिस्टमैटिक या प्लान्ड अप्रोच करना पड़ेगा, देन उसके लिए हमें प्रोडक्ट में जो जो चेंजेस करने पड़ेंगे इट विल कंटेन इन क्वालिटी अश्योरेंस. ओके, देन व्हाट इज ISO 9000? ISO 9000 is International Organization for Standardization. ओके, ISO यानी क्या है? ये क्या है? इट इज़ अ इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन. जिनीवा जो है जिनीवा एक क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट के रिलेटेड एक मीटिंग होती है ऑल ओवर कंट्रीज़ की, जिसमें हम इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन फिक्स करते हैं. देन क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस इज द वन ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ ISO 9000. Okay, now we are going to study ISO 9000 in Malaysia. Okay, Development Administration Circular number 2 1996 guideline for implementing MS ISO 9000 in the civil services as a base towards the TQM system. ओके सो यहाँ पे देखो हम ISO 9000 का बेसिक कंसेप्ट यहाँ पे देखेंगे हम. एज यू कैन सी इन दिस स्लाइड, कस्टमर, ओके, कस्टमर गिव नीड फॉर क्वालिटी, मीन्स जो क्वालिटी की ज़रूरत उन्हें है कस्टमर को, वो किसको देता है, क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस डिपार्टमेंट को देता है. क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस डिपार्टमेंट क्या करता है, क्वालिटी सिस्टम जो डिपार्टमेंट होगा तो उसमें वो ट्रांसफर करेंगे जो कस्टमर की नीड है. देन कस्टमर की नीड जो है वो इनपुट, प्रोसेस एंड आउटपुट के जरिए ये जो है क्वालिटी जो है वो इम्प्रूव की जाती है. देन क्वालिटी सिस्टम डिपार्टमेंट को डॉक्यूमेंटेशन भी दिया जाता है. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन इट इन्वॉल्व क्वालिटी मैनुअल, प्रोसीजर्स, work instruction, responsibility, authorities. Okay, once the input is we get input from the quality system department, we process it and finally we get the output. Okay, this output is then finally transferred to the customer. Okay, then structure of ISO 9000 series, as you can see in this slide, structure of ISO 9000 series. Okay, type, first column contain type, second column contain standard and third column contain its details. Okay, guidelines. Okay सर, तो यहाँ पे देखो ISO 9000 पहले दिया है. ISO 9000 का डिटेल्स जो है वो है क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट एंड क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस स्टैंडर्ड्स, गाइडलाइंस फॉर सिलेक्शन एंड यूज. देन ISO 9004 आया है जिसका दिया है क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट एंड क्वालिटी सिस्टम एलिमेंट्स, गाइडलाइंस. देन second is quality assurance model given, that is ISO 9001, 9002, 9003. 9001 contain quality system model for quality assurance in design, development, production, installation and servicing. Then quality system ISO 9002 contain quality system model for quality assurance in production and installation, and ISO 9003 contain quality system model for quality assurance in final inspection and test. Okay, so this is the structure of ISO 9000 series. Okay, ISO 9000 in government. Okay, government may how to utilize ISO 9000 as a blueprint for efforts to improve the quality system of the organization. This is the objective of ISO 9001. Then ISO 9000 implementation and responsibility acts as the secretariat for the National Steering Committee. Okay, it is used as the standardization. Okay, then provide consultancy service to government agency. Then assist INTA in providing training to agencies. Okay, provide awareness and appreciation training program to all government agencies. Then steps for implementation, how this ISO 9000 is implemented. Okay, secure top management commitment. Then establish ISO 9000 team. Then training should be given to them. Then evaluate current quality system. Then plan for implementation of this ISO 9000. Implement quality system and carry out quality audit. These are the steps in which are involved in the implementation of ISO 9000. Okay, the big issue with the ISO 9000 is management of change. Okay, then interpretation of ISO 9000 for civil service organization, management commitment, personal constraints, and integrating ISO 9000 documentation requirements with existing documentation. Okay, so this is all about ISO 9000, concept of ISO 9000, in which we have studied first we have studied total quality management TQM, then we have studied ISO 9000 concept, structure of ISO 9000, then ISO 9000 के various steps in implementing and implementation issues. Okay, so thank you for listening. For any doubts you